What's up, everyone? Y'all been waiting for me to show you how to how to operate your ceiling fan for a very long time. And now, finally have the time. I forgot to mention that this ceiling fan has reversible blades. How to operate your ceiling fan in winter. The reverse switch is located on the switch housing. What you want to do is to wait for your ceiling fan to come to a full stop. Make sure it stops on its own to prevent strains on the motor. Once it has come to a full stop, you will notice this. This is reverse switch. Just flip it like this. And I'll demonstrate. Also, I never gave it a startup from the, I never showed you a startup from the off position. So, I'm gonna start it on low for, I'm gonna start it on low just to show you what it's like to operate your ceiling fan during cold weather or winter months. This is your average low. This helps to circulate and force hot air back down into the room. And if you're cooking for a very long time, there's excessive heat. Watch this. Just crank it up to medium in reverse. As a matter of fact, I'll give it a full demonstration, but in reverse, just to show you how it's done. As long as you're in the range of medium of low and medium while you're cooking, excessive cooking or something like that, you're completely fine. If you had food smell coming in your room, this is recommended. Give you a closer look. Now for high speed. If you want to dry out your walls faster, watch this. You may need a larger room if you are to run this thing in reverse at max speed. Give you a spin down. Take it back down to low. Might as well wait for this thing to stop on its own before switching it back to downdraft. As you can see, I just did a demonstration in updraft mode. That's how you know it's going in updraft mode, just by paying attention to its direction. If you don't feel any excessive air if you don't feel any air blowing in hot weather, that means it's going in the wrong direction. You shouldn't feel any air in winter, but you should in the summer months like spring and summer. This motor must have been lubricated very well. I'll switch it back to the downdraft mode. So you see the reverse switch facing down means it's in downdraft mode. Up means it's in updraft mode. Might as well give you a startup on low in downdraft mode this time. Let me know in the comments if this video was helpful.